Next concept, pleiotropy. Or pleiotropism. Pleiotropism means one gene controls many functions or one gene controls many phenotypes or physical characters. So, one gene controls many characters or many phenotypic characters. That is pleiotropy. Such type of genes is called pleiotropic genes. Pleiotropic genes. Such type of genes are called pleiotropic genes. This pleiotropy example. One is sickle cell anemia. This is the major disease. Next, phenyl ketonuria. Phenylketonuria is a genetic inherited disease mainly caused by the pleiotropy. So, what will happen? And one more example we have to take, better take in pea plants. In pea plants, starch production. One, next, size, shape of pea seed. So, how much amount of food, how much amount of starch is formed in the seed of pea plant, and size of the pea plant and shape of the pea plant. These are all three characters are controlled by only one gene. In case of genotype of this pea plant, capital B, it is indicates it contain round seed. Seed is mainly round shape. Next, more starch production, shape and size and production. So, round seed, shape is round, production of the starch is more, size is bigger. In the pea plant, pea seed. In case of small b genotype indicates seed is wrinkled. Seed is mainly wrinkled seed. Next, starch production is less starch production. Next, small size of seed. This is a recessive character. These are the dominant characters. Next, in case of both heterozygous, dominant, what will happen here? It is a intermediate starch production. Next, and intermediate size and intermediate shape. It means intermediate is nothing but not more starch production, not very less starch production. Next, not more in size, not less in size. Shape is not more than, not less than, like that. So, medium size of starch is produced, medium size of seed is produced, medium shape of seed is produced. This is the, here only one gene controls many functions. One gene controls many functions. Here seed is mainly shape is round shape mainly round shape. Why? Because capital B indicates that is a round character. That's why round color seed, medium starch production, medium in size, not too longer, not more, not too smaller. That is, here only one gene controls many functions, which is called three functions. One is starch production, next size, as well as shape, starch and size. These three characters are controlled by only one gene, that is pleiotropy. Mainly the pleiotropy concept is only one gene controls many functions, including this pea plant. In pea seed, one is starch production, next size and shape. Next, pleiotropism in human red blood cell. Pleiotropism in human red blood cell. Example, the disease caused by the pleiotropism or gene interactions, that is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Next, phenyl ketone urea. Phenylketonuria. This is genetical inherited disease. One is sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria. These are the two diseases mainly caused by the pleiotropism. Pleiotropism is nothing but one gene can controls many functions. So one gene can controls many phenotypes. Many phenotypes. That is pleiotropism or pleiotropy. That type of genes we know that pleiotropic genes. Actually, in our red blood cell, hemoglobin is mainly made up of two types of polypeptide chains. These two types of polypeptide chains, one is 2 alpha polypeptide chains, next second one 2 beta polypeptide chain. 2 alpha polypeptide chains and 2 beta polypeptide chains are, which is mainly made up hemoglobin. Hemoglobin made up of these two type of polypeptide chains. 2 are alpha, 2 are beta polypeptide chains, which make up hemoglobin. In beta polypeptide chain is point mutations result of sickle cell anemia. In that is polypeptide chain, beta polypeptide chain, point mutations result of sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is caused by the point mutation of beta polypeptide chain in hemoglobin at 6th position of amino acid. In our normal hemoglobin, this is normal hemoglobin. The amino acids are amino acid chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. First amino acid valine, histidine, next leucine, next threonine, proline, glutamic acid one more, and so on. So amino acids number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. It is normal hemoglobin. In case of sickle cell hemoglobin, so valine, histidine, leucine, threonine, proline, glutamic acid, one more glutamic acid, and so on. So numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 amino acids are present. Same valine, histidine, leucine, threonine, proline, glutamic acid, and glutamic acid. Next, the point mutation is at the particular place of 6th. Here point mutations in 6th position. This 6th position is replaced by another amino acid. Actually glutamic acid is present. That glutamic acid is replaced by another amino acid, that is valine. That is valine. So due to this reason, due to this valine changes, glutamic acid changes into valine, what will happen? The red blood cell, this is RBC, shape is disc shape or flat shape. Disc shape or flat shape, it is normal red blood cell. Or sometimes this is the biconcave or biconcave structure of RBC, either disc or biconcave. It is changes into sickle cell, which is sickle RBC. The RBC shape is totally changed. RBC shape is totally changed. Why? Because that mutation is takes place in 6th position of glutamic acid, which is changes into valine. Due to this region, this RBC shape is changed like a sickle. So after that, two functions are totally controlled. One is size, what is that, shape of RBC is changed into sickle shape, one thing. And one more thing is hemoglobin is less, hemoglobin is present in this sickle cell. How much hemoglobin is present? Less amount of hemoglobin is present. So hemoglobin amount of hemoglobin amount is decreases. It means in this normal red blood cell maximum hemoglobin is present, but in sickle cell that hemoglobin levels are decreases. Hemoglobin levels is decreases means to result of oxygen carrying capacity in hemoglobin is decreases. One thing, oxygen carrying capacity in hemoglobin is decreases. This sickle cell inside of the hemoglobin does not carry much amount of oxygen, less amount of oxygen only which is supplied to cells. So less amount of oxygen carried by hemoglobin and transferred to tissues, and the disease which is formed here, that is sickle cell anemia. The disease we are observed, the disease is sickle cell anemia. These sickle cell anemia patients, they are suffering with slow down physical activities, mainly slow down physical functions and physical activities are slowed down, and slow down muscular functions, muscle functions are also slow down. So two effects, one is slow down the physical activities as well as muscular activities also suddenly down by this sickle cell anemia. Next, actually genotype of this hemoglobin or genotype of this sickle cell anemia. Hemoglobin A is a normal RBC genotype, and hemoglobin S is a sickle cell RBC. In case of HbA and HbA, it is a normal RBC genotype. Normal RBC genotype is HbA and HbA. It means normal red blood cell shape and normal hemoglobin content. Next, in case of HbA, HbS, what will happen? It is 50% normal RBC, normal hemoglobin, and 50% sickled RBC, sickled hemoglobin. HbA means 50% in this HbA 50% normal hemoglobin is present, 50% normal cell structure is there. So red blood cell structure exactly is there, but 50% only, not complete 100%. It is 50% normal RBC and 50% of normal hemoglobin is present, and 50% sickled RBC, sickled hemoglobin is present in here. In this case, people are they can able to survive with some physical problems like fatigue and muscular activities are suddenly slow down. The weakness we are observed in these peoples, but peoples are alive. Next, HbS and HbS. In this case, peoples they cannot able to survive. It is even death. Peoples cannot survive or even death also. Why? Because complete red blood cells are converted into sickle. That's why hemoglobin content is decreases. I mean, hemoglobin they cannot able to carry much oxygen. Oxygen supply is reduced to tissues and muscles. That's why muscular functions are suddenly slow down, and improper oxygen is supplied to muscles. More amount of fatigue, more amount of stress, result to even the people death also. Why? Because both alleles they contain sickle cell anemia, because both are there changes into that sixth position changes into valine, result of that genetical change at the one gene to controls these functions, that is the pleiotropy. Result of the people cannot able to survive, because out of these two genes or two alleles, they are mainly replaced by sickle cell type. Sickle cells both are mainly sickle type of RBC. Total 100% of sickle RBC, 100% of abnormal hemoglobin is present. That abnormal hemoglobin they cannot able to carry 100% of the oxygen to tissues. That tissues they cannot able to receive much amount of oxygen, to result of the peoples will die. In this case, if in case chance is there, because 50% normal RBC is present, 50% normal hemoglobin is present. So 50% normal hemoglobin supply at least 50% of oxygen to the tissues and cells. But here complete 100% of the red blood cell complete shape is changed, hemoglobin content also reduced, because in this shape the hemoglobin content not deposited here, fully not there in hemoglobin. Here fully is there. And in this patient, what is that? These patients who are suffering with sickle cell anemia, that people shows resistant to malaria. So these people shows malaria. Peoples are who are suffering with sickle cell anemia resistant to malaria. So they shows resistant to malaria. Why? Because these pupils, why? Because that malarian parasite, they cannot able to penetrate into this cell. Even in this red blood cell, they cannot able to survive. One thing is malaria protozoan, they cannot able to enters into the cell of sickle cell of red blood cell, and even enters means they cannot able to survive within the cell. That's why sickle cell anemia peoples, they shows resistant to malaria. So this is sickle cell anemia caused by the pleiotropy. Pleiotropy means one gene controls two functions. So changes in the glutamic acid replaced by the valine, the result of the shape of the RBC is changed. So one is shape of RBC is changed, one function, and hemoglobin, amount of hemoglobin also decreased. That's why they can hemoglobin, they cannot able to carry 100% of oxygen. These two functions, these two changes are done by one gene only. These two functions are done by only one gene. This is pleiotropy.